Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a Ford Edge, guys, or Lincoln MKX, guys, and you need to remove or replace your antenna, guys, on the roof, stay with us. We'll explain what needs to be done from start to finish. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, will be making, guys, at least 200 videos. Why? Simply because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, check out the links in the description of the video below. Okay, you can find all that for really good price, fast shipping as well, guys. So now this is a 2009 Ford Edge that we'll be working on. Antenna right there, guys, on the roof. So let us show you now, okay, what needs to be done to remove and replace, okay, that guy right there. Now procedure is very simple, guys. We need to go inside, okay. If you want to see any specific video, leave a comment below, guys. We'll go inside. Now, let me explain quick, guys. Okay, under that dome light assembly, the one with the sunglasses storage compartment here, guys, is where the antenna is. So, if we get a plastic panel removal tool, okay, we're going to grab it like that. Okay, there is one clip there, one clip here. Okay, perfect. Pull it out. Now, guys, right here, let me explain, guys, what we have here. We don't even need to disconnect it. You can leave it hanging like that. If you guys look at it, you have a 10mm, guys, 10mm bolt that we need to remove for the antenna. Check it out now. Okay, we are getting it loose, guys. So let's see if it's going to come out or if it's going to stop somewhere. Hopefully it does come out, guys. We hope so, at least. Okay, almost out. Perfect. This one came out, guys. Now we have the antenna. We have, guys, here also. Okay, right here we have the clip. So let me see if it's still holding on the outside or we'll be able to break it loose now. So if I grab it, okay, it's loose, but it's still not coming out. So let me see what else is holding here now, guys. There must be something else, because it looks like, okay, oh, we disconnected it right there. You can see that whole thing just comes out. This is the antenna, guys. Okay, the antenna plug-in with the wires and everything right there. So we just pulled it out. Now on the bottom we just have a couple clips, guys. Okay, one clip here, okay, that we need to pry, and one on the other side. So I pry them with my finger, okay, and I'm loose. So if we come now, check it out, guys, the antenna comes out just like that. So that's how you guys remove it. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure it out. You can see that's how it is, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos and see you guys next time.